Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience tonight. Well, everybody, happy 4th of July, everybody. Well, everybody is popping some fireworks tonight, and also everybody has gone on vacation, but I decided to stay home, as you can tell, to do vacuum cleaner videos. And also, what I really found out was I decided to upload more vacuum cleaner videos. I got Wi-Fi here, and I finally got faster, energetic Wi-Fi, and I'm really happy about it. So, a lot of people are popping fireworks, and I was been hearing a lot of banging tonight. But anyway, I just want to say I'm here to run my 1996 Hoover Runabout Upright Vacuum Cleaner. I'm here to run it tonight. And also I decided to do some vacuuming areas. Well, let's get started, you guys. Get it on, everybody. I'm just gonna get it on and turn on the vacuum. And 3, 2, 1, go. Well, everybody, well, guys, I wanted to say to you guys, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for a brand new video. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Love you. Bye.